and welcome to Business 300. My name is Philip Kulashov, and this is 300 Seconds About Business. We're all a busy people, so I have 5 minutes or less to get my point across. Hello again. We've barely begun, and it's already almost time to go. Good things always end too soon. Businesses don't all look and feel the same. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Sometimes it's you on your own, just you and your customers. You may like it that way. You're not interested in growing a company with a bunch of employees. You want to keep things simple. Good for you. Sometimes you have some sort of team, maybe business partners. Maybe you have a handful of employees, or a lot of them. Perhaps you want to grow your business and employ a lot of people. That's good too. Whatever kind of business structure you have, a one-man show, or a team working with you, one thing you probably should consider is introducing some systemic automation. If you have employees, you definitely need some systems. But even if it's just you, systemic thinking, I believe, makes good things happen. Let me explain. I'm a bit of a system fanatic. I get a thrill watching videos of perfectly timed production lines with products flowing to a rhythm you can dance to. I'll try not to get carried away. Good thing I have a timer going. I believe we should have working systems because we should care about our business reputation. A reputation is developed when consistent practice over time defines people's expectations of us. Historical experience sets precedents for future expectations. All of that to say, if we want a good reputation tomorrow, we should act in accordance with that reputation today and every day. Consistency is needed. We need the same behavior and results multiplied over time. If you want to be known for having good quality, friendly service, and on-time delivery, you need to act that way. You see, a reputation is unavoidable. It's not whether you'll have one, but which reputation you will have. And in order for us to control our business reputation in a way that is predictable and manageable, systems come into play. I'll briefly talk about systems for an employee context, and then systems for a cowboy business. First, systems with employees. Unlike an individual person, an organization is composed of multiple different people with different kinds of skills, expectations, standards, and priorities. That's not a bug in the organization, it's a feature of it. A diverse group of people can collaborate to create something greater than an individual can come up with on his own. Having different people is fun, but everything changes when you start trying to do the work. Because the people are different, the results are as well. And the more people the business has involved in the work, the less predictable the deliverables become. And so, instead of forming a reputation of predictability and trust, one of sporadic performance starts to form. This gets very frustrating for a business owner. Why do we keep making the same mistakes every time? Why can't we get this product out on time? No, we don't talk to customers that way. Business owners can start blaming their employees for their company's bad reputation. But the people are just doing the work the way they know how. Instead of getting frustrated at them, one of the helpful things a business owner can do is place a filter between the people doing the work and the output the work produces. That filter is called a system. A system is nothing more than a set of procedures working together toward the same goal. And a procedure is a predetermined method to perform a task. So a system, simply put, is a predefined way of doing things. For your company to have an expected result every time, you can't depend on tribal knowledge or an individual's approach. Your business needs to be run by systems so that you can get the same predictable output every time, cultivating the reputation you want. What about if it's just me? Do I really need a system? I think a lot of things start to clear up when we try to introduce a system, even if it's just you. Like clearing the clutter in the room, getting rid of the dependence on your own tribal knowledge helps define the best way of doing things. Do you forget to call back customers? Is your one-man show frantic and stressful? Does it feel like you're running on fumes? Perhaps what you need is to predefine the best way to do things and set up some systems. An effective business has effective people and is managed with effective systems.